Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in Jamaica and you've got some money sitting in your PayPal account that you want to transfer to your local bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to do this in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid internationally or just managing your finances, this step-by-step process will make it easy and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a Jamaican bank account ready to go. It's also a good idea to check for any updates to PayPal's policies for 2025, as things can change. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using the app or website. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your available balance. Next, look for the Transfer Funds or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Click on that to proceed. Step 2. If you haven't already linked your Jamaican bank account, you'll need to do that now. Go to Link a Bank and select your bank from the list. PayPal supports major Jamaican banks like National Commercial Bank or Scotiabank, so it should be straightforward. You'll be asked to enter your account details and might need to verify it through a small test deposit. Step 3. Once your bank is linked and verified, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be currency conversion fees since PayPal deals in USD, and you'll get it in Jamaican dollars. Double-check the exchange rate and any fees to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review the transfer details, confirm everything, and hit Submit. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, with improved banking tech, it might take just 1 to 3 business days to hit your account. A quick tip. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation from PayPal, and if there's any issue, like a failed transfer, contact PayPal support right away. They have dedicated help for international users. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to your bank in Jamaica is simpler than you think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.